A warm, heartfelt welcome to the respected principal sir, my fellow students and my dear teachers. Good morning to all. Today I am going to speak about importance of teacher in everyone's life. Teacher play a very important role in our life to be success and career and a business. A good teacher help us to become a good human being in society and good citizen of the country, because the teachers know that the students are future of any country. Let us know what is the importance of teacher in everyone's life. Teacher play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. Right, from kindergarten to university, they are the one who impact knowledge and teach us about everything important. Moreover, they also teach us about ethical values and imbibe inner moral values. Thus we can say, teachers shape our personality into something very strong and wonderful. A world without teacher would be definitely chaotic. There are few people who impact our world, and teachers are definitely one of them. They assume the role of an educator and caregiver of their students. Sometimes they also become our friends and help us with personal problems. Teacher is the one who will help you to become a better person and an informed one. Moreover, they see the potential of their students when no one else can. Sometimes they also become our friends and help us with personal problems. Teacher is the one who will help you to become a better person and an informed one. Teacher also decide the fate of a nation, as the youth is in their hand. When the youth is educated and informed, naturally the future of the country will be in safe hand. In fact, the fate of a student has in their hand of their teacher. They push the students to achieve better right and become successfully. Consequently, they turn out to be a lawyer, pilot, scientist and more, only with the help of a teacher. In India, we even celebrate Teachers' Day to honor them on 5th September every year. While some people think it's easy, the role of teacher is very challenging and equally important. It is a responsibility to impart correct knowledge and in the right manner. They have to teach methodically, for which they prepare their lessons beforehand. Thus, they are able to motivate their students through the use of accurate techniques. A good teacher gives homework, also check it regularly for better practice. Further, they plan meticulously for better teaching pattern. At the beginning of the year, they plan the whole syllabus out for a smooth teaching experience. In addition of teaching, a good teacher also a good organizer. They have to organize various activities that take place in school throughout the year. Further, they plan meticulously for better teaching pattern. They have to organize various activities. Moreover, they also supervise a lot of tasks and activities that take place in school. For instance, attendance, homework, behavior is also supervised by a teacher. They have responsibility to maintain the discipline and decorum of the students. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your student, you are a hero. Thank you.